Welcome back to one more episode of Shopping City. So, today, what you can see in the background is our Diwali collection. So, all the people who are going to shop online can see our products. We are going to show the products clearly, slowly, and you can start ordering your products. Please write in the comment section. But for all the people who have joined new today, we are getting a lot of subscribers on our YouTube channel. We have crossed 700 subscribers. So for all of them, I want to just inform you where our offices are, and we are shipping all over India. So our offices starts from Mumbai. We are at Cuff Parade in Mumbai, and then we are in Khar West. Okay, then from Khar West we go to Surat. We are in Vesu, and from Vesu then we go back to Delhi and Uttam Nagar, Paschim Vihar, Sarita Vihar. So we have lot of centers in Delhi and Faridabad, Ahmedabad I forgot. So we are going to start our collection. Please, if you need to order anything, I'm going to show you clearly all the products. You can take a screenshot, and we have our number in the description. We are shipping all over India. So wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year for 2021. So let's start our online shopping. I will show you one product, whatever we have ready. And we also have raw material. If you're personalizing your rooms for Diwali, your entrances for Diwali, you can definitely contact us and we will send it to you, the raw material, and you can add it by yourself. So I will explain to you one by one what we have for this Diwali. There are around 15 days left for Diwali. So requesting all of you to order as soon as possible so we can ship your products. Our packaging is very good. You can go to our channel and see we have just uploaded a video how we are packing our products and shipping all over India. So let's start with our first product, guys. So today is a Latkan special. Today we have all Diwali this season. It's been 3 years we are selling Diwali products, but this is the first year that people are ordering lot of side latkans. We have torans. You can go to our channel and have a look. But this season is specially for latkans. Okay, so I am going to go without editing, without anything. So I am going to show you each and everything slowly. So be ready to take screenshots. We'll start with our first product. Okay, so this one, you can put a tea light inside it. This is a latkan. It's 4 feet tall. 4 feet long, and this is around 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches the circle. I'm going to get close to the camera. You can put your tea light and hang it anywhere. Okay, this is product number 1. So if you want any particular colors, you can see we have put a gold rose on it, and we are shipping all over India. It doesn't break. We bubble wrap it and we put it in a cartoon. We put fragile stickers, everything, so it doesn't break. So please let us know anything you need in the comment section and we will be there for you. Okay. Our second product is this. It's a red color. You can see. Can you zoom the camera? So you can see a little bit more. Yeah. So this is a tea light, and down you can see is a lotus. I'm going to do it this way. Here. This is covered. This is how it looks. The lotus, you can hang it. We also have the raw lotus. I'm going to show you the picture. This is approximately 4 feet the height, and this lotus is this way. We put the light here and you can hang it in your balcony. You can hang it anywhere. I will be giving you a demonstration of the lotus also. You want to buy the lotus, we will ship it to you. Okay, this is the light. This goes here. You can buy it in pairs. Here. Okay, this goes here. Now I will show you the lotus, how we are going to send it to you. So this is the lotus. You can order the lotus also if you need. Here. You can order only the lotus. We are selling in singles also. Basically the price is slightly higher because you're buying a single product, plus the shipping is always extra. Now in this, I am going to show you more color variations. In this, I will show you we have a lot of ready stuff. This is red or Rani, whatever you call. We have pink. Here I'm going to get it close to the camera. Pink. Then we have, okay, you can see the colors. Again, one more color. Okay, this is all the raw material if you want to buy for Diwali and decorate your house. This is open slightly, so you can see this is how it looks. Okay, so these are the colors which are available, and here we go with one more color. So these are all the different types of latkans we are having in colors. Then we'll go next to this product. This is a very unique product. I'm going to get it close to the camera. Here, I'm going to go to this. Can you see it? You can take a screenshot and send it to us. There is a small bird over here. I'm going to get it more closer. There's a bird over here and with two tea lights. If you can see this very clearly. Okay, if you need to order this, please send us a screenshot, and our mobile number is 97020968888. We will be putting here below, when I edit this video, the mobile number will flash, so you can order over here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something unique. This is another latkan. If you can see clearly here, this is around, I think it's around 2.5 to 3 feet, and the colors available are these two colors. Okay, now we are going to this, we have one more collection with the money plant. See here, this is one more collection with the money plant, and I fixed the tea light in this. So what you can do is, if you want to order this is a special collection latkans, this with the money plant, and this one is without the money plant. Okay, this is without the money plant, and this has a lotus hanging, and this one has a circle, a bangle hanging with the light. So please, if you need to order this product, you can call on our helpline number 97020968888. Okay, let's go to the next collection. Here, this is also a very unique product. If you need pictures, just call us and we'll send you some pictures. I cannot remove everything. Then we have this white gajra with a red rose flower, a Rani rose flower combination. Here. Okay, it's around 4 to 5 feet plus the bangle. One more collection is red with the white rose. Okay, I hope I'm audible and I'm clear. When I edit it, I'm going to make the sound a little more louder. Okay, here. So I'll show you one more collection. This is a Kundan tea light. I'm very, very clear. This is a Kundan tea light. You can put 3 and you can use it on your entrance. You can use 2 basically for your entrances. Okay, here. You can use 2 for your entrance. I'm getting it more closer for you all to see it. So please, if you need anything, call us at Shopping City. We are shipping all over India. Okay. Now my next product is a floor rangoli, or you can call it a tea light. You just put it on the floor and you put this light, and I think this cage opens. I'll try to open it and show you. Here. This is how it opens, the cage. So what you can do is, you can put your tea light, put it on or off, and just use it. Okay. So you can fix it this way. You can close it and you can just put it on the floor like that. I hope I'm clear. I'm audible to all of you all. So the next collection which I'm going to show you of the latkans is, now one more collection is this. Again, the green with the money plant. Okay. The green with the money plant. So basically you get this in pairs. This is how the pair looks. Yeah, this is how the pair looks. You can order online and we are shipping all over India. Okay. So I will show you one more product and I'll start moving towards the product slowly. So slowly I will start moving and showing you the products. Okay. So the next product we have is this yellow color mat, pom-pom mat. This is called, you can see from behind, you can see the quality how it is. I'm going to get it more closer. In my previous videos I've shown you this mat, this one in particular. Okay, so this is one mat, and then I am going to show you another mat which is a reversible mat. Okay, which is a reversible mat. I'm going to show you. I will not be able to open it, guys, but yes, I'm going to show you the mat. This is a reversible mat. If you go to my channel, you can see I have opened the rangoli and shown it to you. This opens, and when you turn it around, you can use it also. This is a rangoli. You can gift it to anybody, especially your sister or anybody. And this has a gajra, and you're going to see it closer. So I hope I'm clear to everybody. You can see all the products, and I will show you one more product, which is yeah, we have one more rangoli, which is a set of 5. We have one more rangoli, which is a set of 5. So if you need to order this dry rangoli with the gajra, you can order it right now at Shopping City. This is all ready stock which we are having. Okay, and let's go to the next product. This is a peacock. This is a acrylic peacock. Acrylic peacock. I'm going to get it close. This is how our packaging is. So if you need the pictures, what you do is, there are these small pieces of acrylic. We fix it here, 1, 2, 3, and you can put your tea light on that. Acrylic peacocks. This is how our packaging is. We will bubble wrap it. We will put thermocol on the sides and then ship it to you. We have 20 to 30 pieces in stock. So if you need to order, please order as soon as possible. Okay, I'm going to show you one more product. That is a Shubh Labh. Okay, I'm going to get close to the camera. We have Shubh Labh for Diwali. Shubh Labh. Okay, you can hang it on your door or gift it to your loved ones. Okay, there are 2 more products for today which I need to show you. And then I will say bye-bye for this episode, and the next episode is going to be more interesting. So if you like this, please write in the comment section if you need to see anything else. This is one more latkan which I need to show you. I hope you can see this. Okay. One more latkan. Okay. And the last product for today is a very unique toran which I need to show you is here. If you need to order, please write in the comment section. Tomorrow's episode, I am going to show you boats. We have different types of boats for Diwali, which are called hampers also. You can use it as hampers. Okay. So this is a 40-inch toran. I'm going to get it close to you. This is a 40-inch toran. Okay. A 40-inch toran. If you need to order this, please write to us in the comment section or remove a screenshot and send it to us. Okay. So for today's episode, I think there are a lot of products which you need to shop as soon as possible. So before I end, I am going to say a thank you to all my viewers who've been subscribing our channel lately. And we had last month, we had 300 subscribers, and this month we have around 700 subscribers. So I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to Shopping City. Offices are in Mumbai, Kaf Parade and Khar West. Then we go back from here to Surat, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Faridabad. And even if you need delivery in Dubai, we are shipping in Dubai. So how did you like our episode? Please write in the comment section. And if you need to give any suggestions, please contact us or let us know anything we can improve. Thank you very much. Gracias, adios, hasta luego.